What's going on, Tim? You all right?
Yeah, every day is a good day, especially with fishing coming up. You know what I'm saying?
Well, that's why I was calling you. I know we're supposed to go to White Rock tomorrow, and that's a pretty big lake, but the winds are going to be like 18 to 20 mile an hour. I'm kind of concerned on a big lake for that.
Well, I was looking at some of that, and I'm a little concerned myself. But I mean, I think if it's going to be so bad, why risk it? Why don't we just, we cancel it, or we look to do a different lake that might not be affected? I'm aware of one, a small one, called South Lake.
Okay. Yeah, no, I don't want to cancel. You know me, I want to go fish.
Yeah.
Where's
Well,
South? Is that the one over in Farmersville?
exactly.
Oh, okay.
I mean, it's a smaller lake, almost like a bowl,
Okay.
and it's got a dam and trees all around it. I'm thinking maybe being it smaller and with the woods and the dam, it might be a little more protected over there.
All right. Well, let's do that then. I'm good.
Yeah,
I'm
I'm
good
game
with it.
for that to do it.
What time? What
But
time?
getting on the big waves would be tough. Yeah.
Yeah, and especially where we wanted to go, we would have to cross like the main lake, and that's just sketchy.
Well, be smart about it.
Yeah,
that's the thing. We got to be smart about it.
Yeah. So what time you want to meet tomorrow then?
You just want to do 7 like we planned initially?
Yeah, that's fine. All right.
Oh, perfect. Let's do it.
All right, brother. Well, I'll see you tomorrow at 7.
You got it.
All right, man.
I'll see you then, Tom.
All right,
Thanks,
looking forward to
appreciate
it. All right, bye.
Bye.
All right, Mr. Jennings, you about ready?
Yeah.
All right, I got my camera on. Hey, everybody, we're out here at, what's the name of this lake? South Lake in Farmersville, Texas. I'm here with my buddy Tim Jennings. Tim Jennings Fishing on YouTube. Go check out his channel. We're gonna go see if we can't get us some bass. All right, let's go, brother. Let me move my truck and then I'll launch.
Come here. Did you hear me? Come here. Here. No. Go. Oh man, I got one. Oh yes. Oh, it's huge. Yes, look at that. Wow. Let's put him on the board and see the length of this one. I thought I was hung up, but I was not. Gotta put him on the board, but let me get my stuff organized here. We'll let him go. That's a nice one. Very good. There you go, bub.
Go over here in this cove, maybe get out of that wind a little bit. This is not ideal. I am not a fan. I mean, a little bit of wind's fine, but when it starts getting choppy like this, it's just sketchy. I don't want to capsize, that's for sure. There's one. There we go. Oh, lost him. Lost him. Damn it. There's one. say finally, I haven't been here long. Close your mouth there, buddy. Thank you, little buddy. I appreciate you. New lake. First bass on this lake.
It is a windy day out here. Come on. It's not the window, I can tell you. Got one. Yes. Yes. Got one right off the reed. Oh, he swallowed it, man. He just choked it. Fantastic. I got this way down there. Look at this. Tom! Tom! Nice. Nice one. Let's get this one on board real quick. Let him go. So I'm out here with an angler I met last year when I won, and we're collaborating on videos and trying to fish together, and it's nice.
Figured this little inlet here where the wind's blowing might get me some luck. So I had that one bite, and then a short time later, the one I lost, and then a short time later, I got that one. So that's good. Another one. Oh, no. Thought it was. That's a nice stick. What a tease. That is definitely one. Stay down, buddy. bad. Ain't huge over here, but they're keepers. Inches. All right, buddy, I appreciate you. Thank you, thank you.
Sir, how are you?
Any luck?
I've caught 3, landed 2. One of them is 19 inches, over 19.
Oh, not.
And the other was probably about, the other 2 were probably 15 to 16. How about you?
Same thing. Caught 3, landed 2. Keepers. One was just a little guy, but the other 2, one was 16 and a half. One was 16.
Yeah, I put the big one on the board. He was just under 20, and I'm over here in the weeds now. My remote for my motor, I think the battery's died, so I'm trying to pull over and swap them out.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Well, the area back here is not, it's kind of, I don't know if you can see me, but.
Yeah, I see you straight ahead of me.
Yeah, over on my, to the left of me, that's blocked from the wind, so it's not as windy there. And they're just sitting up there in the reeds there.
Yeah, that's where I caught mine, right off, probably 1 to 5 feet off the reeds max.
Yeah, same here. Oh,
Yep.
There's the pattern. What are you using?
Swim jig.
Okay, yeah, I'm using a bladed jig, so same kind of that black and blue bladed jig.
Yeah, I've got like a brim colored swim jig on right now.
Okay.
But I mean, when they hit it, it's a soft bite though. It's not real hard. It feels like I'm stuck in weeds.
Yeah, and oh my God, you're having the same experience I'm having. That's so funny. I was saying the same thing. I was just like, do I have one? You know?
Exactly. I'm like, what the heck? And then when I pull back, its head shakes and I go, I got one. I thought it was weeds.
Funny.
Well, let me change the batteries and I'll get a little closer over there.
All right, brother.
Talk to you. Got one. Yes. Yes. Got one right off the reed bed. Right off the reed. Oh, he swallowed it, man. He just choked it. Fantastic. Oh, he got this way down there. Look at this.
How about this wind?
I can't even hear you, it's so windy. Did you get any more? Yeah.
They are,
Oh, this is so much better. That wind out
I was
there.
trying to, just been sitting here and fish deep over there because.
Do you mind if I fish behind you over here?
It was crankbait, but I couldn't even keep this thing. I couldn't keep it steady.
Stationary, yeah. Oh, this is so much better. That wind out there.
Oh, I know. I've just been sitting here and avoiding it for a while.
Do you mind if I fish behind you over here?
Oh, fish it all you want, man. Looks like my lake.
If it wasn't windy, woo!
Oh yeah, the lake that I fish at a lot near my house is very similar to this.
Yeah.
So I mean, the setup, the structure, it just looks like my lake. Oh yeah, I'm definitely coming
Yeah.
from here.
And the lily pads, the grass.
Oh yeah.
Structure.
I didn't realize, because they're all dead, that there were lily pads till I came back in this. I like this place, man. I'm gonna come back.
This is a neat little lake. fishing grass cover, not right on the shore.
Yeah.
This is nice because they're far off the shore.
Yeah, exactly. That back corner there, I went there first. That is, it says 6 feet of water, but the grass is literally like 2 inches from the top. And I was like, oh, I got to get out of here. I didn't want my motor getting all clogged up.
Well, when I pulled my trailer out, I had the greenest hydrilla hooked there.
Oh, really?
Bright green.
Nice. Yeah, this has got a lot of potential. No wonder Warren likes it so much. All right, it's white capping out there on the lake, so I think I'm gonna call this a day. Not too worried about going straight into it. Just splashes a lot. Gets everything wet. Just don't want to get at an angle where it'll capsize me. You can go in first since you got the trailer.
I'm amazed at the fish were good except that last one. I'm like, dude, what happened to you?
It's definitely a weird color. Like those in my lake, they're nice. They're green, brownish. These ones were like white almost.
When they're white, it usually, from where I fish in Virginia, they're coming up shallower from the deeper water.
Yeah.
And they're colder. And if they're deep in the grass like you see in summer, they're darker bass.